Starting from a Google spreadsheet, I'll show you how easy it is to create one of these graphs. This spreadsheet has a few countries' names in it, and I've got Google to do the hard work and look up the current populations. If I now go to codagraph.heroku.com, I just need to create an account to get started. This is necessary so that you can keep your own graphs private. Okay, I'll create an account and enter some details. Next up, I need to give this little app some permissions to look into my Google documents. Easily done. By the way, this is completely safe. If I want to, I can go into Google and revoke access at any time, and I haven't had to give my Google account details or anything. Right, let's go ahead and create a CODAgraph. I'll give it a title and a subtitle, and I could choose any one of my own Google spreadsheets here, but population data is the one I've been working on. Okay, CODAgraph's offering to do another chore for me. I need to add a page to my spreadsheet, so I'll get it to do that. Just takes a couple of seconds. Right, I've got a fairly generic graph, and the instructions tell me to go back to my spreadsheet, edit the CODAgraph sheet and reload the page. Okay. Okay, so down at the bottom I can see that it's created a new spreadsheet for me. So let's see what's in there. Basically just some instructions in column D and then 3 columns called label, value and color. So I'll go ahead and link up the labels with the real data in my spreadsheet. Drag that down to fill the labels column a bit and across to fill the values. I've decided to display populations in millions and I don't want any decimal places, so I'll make a quick change to round the numbers down in the value column. So I'm just going to round to the nearest million, and I don't want any decimal places. So just drag that down the value column. I'll make every bar in my graph the same color, and I'll just tidy this sheet up a bit. I don't need to leave these instructions here. Okay, if I go back to CODAgraph and refresh the page, it should be apparent that we're getting close. Next, I'll show you how easy it is to customize the way these graphs look using CSS, or cascading style sheets. I'll enter some code just to use a picture for the background and change the colors of the screen ever so slightly. Okay. If I click on get the link to share, I can see exactly what the CodaPod's going to see in my own browser. So if I'm happy with that and it looks good, then all I have to do is go back and click add to Coda. Because I'm already logged into Coda, I just need to give the thing a name and just simply drag and drop that across onto my online CodaPod, and that will display the graph with live data wherever the CodaPod happens to be in the world.